Well, hello. When it comes to planting seeds, and if you buy egg cartons at the grocery store, do not buy the styrofoam because it's not biodegradable. Just buy this type of material, the cardboard material, so you can use this as a seedling starting. You can put your soil in here, get it wet, your seeds are starting to grow, and you can cut these out and place them into your garden bed or your planters. And also, as an extra bonus, when you crack your eggs open, what I do, I rinse these under hot water, and then I put them in the microwave for about a minute, 25 seconds. And all you have to do once they cool down, you just poke a hole in the bottom for drainage, put your potting soil, and then plant your seed in there. And then once it starts to germinate, you can crack the shell and put it into a planter or whatever. And you can also add this in there for some extra calcium. And how you can store this while your seeds are germinating, just set them all your cracked eggshells into the compartment. So that's how you grow tomato seeds or any other seeds in a eggshell. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you like what you're hearing from me, subscribe to my channel. I just want to say thank you for watching my video and have a great day. Bye.